Hi everybody, it's the Ninth Wave, and today I'm going to show you how to make a custom major for The Sims 2. You're going to need SimPE, and you're going to need The Sims 2 with at least University installed. Alright, once you have SimPE, go ahead and open SimPE, and at the top go to Extra, Preferences, and then go to File Table, and you're going to want to make sure include University, include Original, include Graphics. You don't really need CEP checked, but I like to check it anyway. All the time, I keep it like that. You're going to see a bunch of ones down here. You don't need to check any of those. If you have the Ultimate Collection, you might not be able to get your file table to show up in SimPE, and you might not be able to get University to show up in SimPE. But there's a workaway around it, but I don't exactly know what it is. So I don't have the Ultimate Collection, so I'm good to go. I have University, Original, Graphics, and CEP checked. So I click Reload, and then wait for it to finish loading down here. The green progress bar will go away when it's ready. And press OK. And close SimPE out, and then reopen SimPE. Now down here below, you're going to want to make sure Object Workshop is selected down here, and press Start. And go to Other in the list, it's way down here, and then go to Sim Type in that list. Now, depending on what career you want your major to be linked to, you should go online and see which majors are linked to which careers. If you want, for instance, the drama major is linked to the athletic career, and the athletic career is always the career that I use to make custom careers. So if I make a major that I want to link to that custom career, I would make it from the drama major. Okay, why don't we just go ahead and clone it from Art, since it's right at the top. So click on Art and click Next. And you're going to want to make sure your defaults are selected. So in the orange, that actually says Set Defaults. So click that, and you'll see the checkboxes like they should be. And then click Start. Now you can rename your major, whatever you want it to be, right here in the title. Don't give it a price, because, you know, majors don't have prices. And the description of your major would be right here, going along with the title. I'm not going to change any of that right now, just for tutorial's sake. Alright, and press Finish. And sometimes I like to press University Ready right here, just to make sure it is University Ready. I don't really know what that button means, but I'm sure that it would help if you press it. So then press OK. and save it to your documents, EA Games, The Sims 2, downloads, and give it a unique name and everything. We'll just call this Major. But give it a unique name that has to do with your major, and press save. Okay, now you're going to want to go in the resource tree to the text list and the resource list to class titles. And go to plugin view at the bottom. And here you can change the class titles of your major. So don't mess with not enrolled and not enrolled DESC. Don't mess with those two. But on the second line, there's 0, 1, 2 on the second line. Go ahead and go to stick figures, lowering the bar, or whatever it says in there, depending on your major. And you can change the name to whatever you want. It's good to be really creative with these. And just go through each one and change the class title to something having to do with your major. You don't have to worry about the ones in between that are blank, just leave them blank. And go to default language only. That puts your major in English. And it makes it to where people with games that play the UK version of The Sims will also see your major in their game. And it sets everything to English. I always do that instead of doing it manually, English and English UK, because it's a lot easier that way, and plus I don't know how to speak any of those other languages. Alright. Then press commit. And now go in the resource tree to your JPG, TGA, PNG image. And again in the resource list. And extract it to your desktop. I have a folder that I extract these things called packed files. So just place it there. And open your packed files folder. You can delete this notebook looking thing with the world on it. You can delete that. And open your image in your preferred photo editing program. I like to use GIMP. And then here we can change things if we want to. We can just like erase this, and then eyedrop, and make that or something. I'm just doing something really quick to show you how to actually make an icon. Then you're going to go to File, Export, and save it as TGA. Erase the JPG and save it as TGA. So keep all these words the same and erase JPG at the end and turn it to TGA and press export. And then close that out. You can close without saving because it's already saved, it's already exported. Now, this is a JPG because we can see down here it says JPG. So go ahead and delete the JPG. And this is our new edited one, the TGA. Now go back in SimPE and right click on it and do replace. And when you get to your packed files folder, go down here where it says all files, little scroll down thing, all files, and select your TGA that you exported. Do you want to reload this? Yes. And see it changed to what I had done. So now we go to, you don't have to commit or anything on this, by the way. It just automatically saves it. It automatically commits it and everything. Now we go to our object data, and in the resource list, and you're going to want to change the name of your major to something, to your major name, to your exact major name, whatever that is. And then in the GID section, erase, let's say, the last 4 digits and put a unique number in there, just off the top of your head, but make it unique, like 8964, and then press update, and then do file, save, and you just made a custom major. Congratulations.